It's my Lifetime basketball hoop that I ordered online. Box open. Had the utilities called 811 come out and mark it. Had to be at least 2 feet away from any utility line marks. Went ahead and cut out a 2-foot round circle of cardboard to give me a guide of circle size to dig in the ground. Here's me making sure that I'm at least 2 feet away from marked utility line. It's a requirement. And starting to dig around, dig out the hole. Should be noted that I found out they don't mark the line from the meter to your house. So I had a little accident, it wasn't painted there. Just cut it out though and prep a new piece to put into place. I mud covered it so that it wouldn't be cemented in. So after I put this back together and it worked fine, covered it with mud before putting the cement in so that pipe section wouldn't get cemented in. No problems in the last couple months, worked well. Alright, going through some of the steps. It's a pretty solid heavy metal pole. I'm pretty impressed with how solid it is. I forgot this step. I should have voiced over this shortly after doing this, so hope the video is helpful because it's been months since I've actually shot these video segments and forget what part numbers are. Oh yeah, you have to like an inch up after you put this pole sections together. It's a self-tap and drill bit and you just start drilling it in and it goes right in and locks the pieces together.
Dad, what is this?
Alright, would you look at that?
Dad.
Alright, yeah, I did learn a lesson on here. Make sure you put those bolts in before you put it in because that bar will block being able to put the bolts in, just FYI. Little spring action in there. Check that out. Let's go through these little video segments, just kind of give you an overview of the assembly. Actually been pretty happy with the quality of this overall. It's been real good, real solid, up in place, no shaking, wobbling or anything. I definitely recommend the Lifetime hoop. It's made in America too, that's kind of a plus. Yeah, and I hope that just the video is helpful in determining how to assemble this because I forget what all the little steps were when I recorded this originally. Yep. It's getting there. Took me about a half day or so, I guess, to really do all this assembly, maybe a little bit longer. Yeah, that final assembly down there on the pole was a bear. Took me about a half hour or so to figure it all out right in that area right there. It's coming right along, look at that. Alright. Yeah, I used some different boxes to kind of prop this thing up around different ways. The handle adjust is really easy to use. You just kind of pull it up to lower the hoop and pull it down to raise the hoop. You can do it one-handed without a whole lot of effort. Real easy adjust. Even kids can adjust it. Wish I had some music to play or something. Hope this isn't getting boring. Alright, there's it all concrete in. You gotta make sure you slope the concrete up so that water drains from the pole so you don't have a pool of water causing rusting of the pole, which will ruin your pole. Oh, there it is, look at that. And it goes in.